Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn DevSecOps, which means we build software by thinking about security from the very beginning, not at the end. DevSecOps has three parts. Dev means the people who write the code. SEC means the security tools and rules that keep the app safe. Ops means the people who keep the app running smoothly. We can think of it like a simple formula. Development plus security plus operations equals DevSecOps. Now, let us compare the old way with the DevSecOps way. Imagine building a giant Lego castle. The old way is to build everything first and check security at the end. The DevSecOps way is to check safety at every step. Why is DevSecOps important? It is faster because we catch bugs early. It is safer because security is built in from day one. And it is a team effort, so everyone works together. In short, DevSecOps means everyone is responsible for security all the time.